Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to view post on Instagram. Be sure watch the video till the end, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First open your Instagram app and then click the bottom right hand corner in the screen and press your profile photo, and then click the three lines in the upper right hand corner and select your activity. Then click select your activity, and after that click the likes button, and you can, if you want to sort by your newest and oldest, just click newest, and if you want to sort by oldest, just oldest. And if you want to filter your data, all days, last week and last month and last year, and if you want to filter start and end days, if you can do that. And if you want to filter by author, just click on author and just apply. So you can easily filter any data on your like page. So this is the way how to view like post on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.